This summer, I spent 3 weeks backpacking around the incredible country of Colombia, exploring its cities, culture, beaches, enjoying incredible views, sunsets, and even making a few new friends along the way. This video marks the first of my Colombia backpacking series, starting in the capital city of Bogota, where I had my first taste of Colombian arepas for breakfast before heading to Plaza de Bolivia, where this vlog begins.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sophie and I would love it if you click that big red subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell as well so that you never miss a video. Today I'm in Bogota, Colombia. This is my first stop on a 3-week backpacking trip around Colombia. So if you're planning a trip to Colombia, definitely make sure to click that big red subscribe button now because I'm going to be posting way more videos on the country. So yeah, sorry, I'm getting distracted by the person trying to sell camarelos, like trying to sell sweets. He's going away now, but yeah, very loud. I was trying to film a TikTok earlier and I'm pretty sure all you could hear in the background was the camarelos. Like, oh my god, no puedo hablar español ahora, man. But yeah, I am currently in the main square, Plaza de Bolivia. It's Bolivia. It's a bit quiet because I have jet lag, so I'm up super early, way before everyone else. So I thought I may as well come to the square early. Maybe I can get a nice picture here in the square. But yeah, I've got a free walking tour soon later today, so I'm really looking forward to that because I really need to get my bearings here and just also in the country of Colombia, like get my bearings here. Like obviously it does help that I speak Spanish, but still it's just nice to like, I don't know, just understand like the Colombian way of life a bit better. Yeah, so yeah, I was hoping I could get a cute picture here, but they actually, well, they still can, but I can't get a picture super far back because it looks like they're setting up for a market. There's going to be a market later today, I guess, maybe because it's a Sunday. I'd have to check online, do some Googling to find out what days the market runs.
I unfortunately did not get much footage from the free walking tour as I was busy listening to what our excellent tour guide from Beyond Colombia Tours was explaining about the history of the city and Colombia. And we did also get experience a performance from Michael Jackson of the Candelaria as our tour guide called in, which I, for one, was not expecting. We happened to also stumble across a parade which was in the run-up to the Colombian Independence Day, which takes place on the 20th of July, so that was pretty cool to see as well. And our tour included a free chicha tasting, which is a traditional alcoholic drink made from fermented corn, which I actually didn't hate, but I don't love it either. And then I went for lunch with a few people that I have met on the tour, and we literally ordered ajiaco, which is a chicken soup with corn, rice and avocado, super filling. And then I went to the Botero Museum, which is free, and as well as hosting Botero's works, hosts some of the work he's collected from other artists.
Good evening, everyone. So I've barely spoken to the camera all day, but yeah, I ended up going out for lunch with a few people I met on the walking tour. Now I've just come up to Monsterate with one of the girls as well who I met on the walking tour. So actually you get a cable car up. It was actually really scary. I'll show you some footage because yeah, it was really high up. But yeah, you can get a funicular as well, but sometimes the funicular doesn't run. But yeah, we opted for the cable car. We just have these crazy views, and some people also hike up here. But in the morning, I think you can't hike after 1 p.m. And there's a church up here, so they hike up here and then they go to church up here. Is what I believe. That's what my driver who picked me up from the airport yesterday was saying anyway. So yeah, it looks absolutely beautiful up here. It's a great day. But yeah, there's still so much more to explore. So I'm gonna go see what Monserrate has to offer. And my day in Bogota has come to an end. So I'm now off to my next destination, which is Salento. So if you are interested in visiting Salento or want to know just what Salento is like, then make sure to subscribe, turn on that notification bell and stay tuned for that. I know this was a really like quick vlog, a really short vlog, but yeah, I literally just had a day in Bogota, and obviously like when doing the walking tour I couldn't really vlog. Yeah, so there wasn't really so many chatty clips, more just b-roll of what Bogota looks like. But yeah, excited to explore Salento. Yeah, definitely make sure to follow along. I'm literally about to go get my bus now. I'm really excited. See you in the next one. Bye.